Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade Livewire v3 to Livewire v4 version in your Laravel application. So you know that recently Livewire 4 beta has released and how you can upgrade in your Laravel 12 project. So let's get started. So let me go to my terminal and I'm going to create a new Laravel 12 application. So Laravel new, and then I will give the name Livewire, for example Livewire 4 app, and hit enter. It is asking for which starter kit you want to use. We will use Livewire and keep the basic authentication, and then I will say no, we don't use Vault, and then paste. And you can see that they are creating a new Livewire 4 application. Now it is asking for npm install, and I will like to say yes, and just click on hit enter, and it is going to install the npm package, and now our fresh application is there. Okay, so just I will go to the Livewire 4 app and just make it clear. Okay, now let's run this application. Composer run dev, and now let me go back to the browser and let me go here and localhost 8000, and if I click on register, I will use the fact filler to create a new user and create an account. Okay, so this is working perfectly fine with Laravel 12 and Livewire version 3. Okay, so you can see that by default version is 3, but they have recently updated and released the 4.x beta version. Make sure that is a beta version, that means they are still working, they will still update the dependencies and all the things. But if you want early access, then you just need to go to the upgrade guide. Okay, and then first step, they have given the command to install the beta version, so just copy that and let me go to the terminal. I'm going to use another terminal and click enter, and it is going to update the Livewire version. You can see over here is 3.6.4 into 4.00 beta 2. Okay, so this is the version they have upgraded. Let's wait to upgrade. Yeah, now they have done. Let me clear this. Let me go back to the browser, and you can see that they have given the 2 more commands over here where you can config clear. It's not like requirement, but sometimes they catch the config, so you can do. That's better. In same way, view clear as well, and let me clear. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let me go back to the browser. Okay, and hit refresh over here, and it's nothing, so that means it is working perfectly fine. Let me go over here and just open the project on my VS Code editor, and here you can see that composer.json, and here Livewire version 4.0 beta version is there. Okay, now let me go back over here, and if I go to the setting page, you can see that there is a one error, invalid argument exception, view app not found. So that is something wrong, and how you can resolve it. So you can go to the upgrade guide, and they have written all the config updates. You can see that before in v3 they are using components.layouts.app, but right now they are using component_layout and layouts::app. And how you find that configuration? You need to go to your Visual Studio config, and here you will find the Livewire file, but right now is not there. So you need to run one command to publish the config file. So clear, I am going to say php artisan Livewire publish config and hit enter. You can see that now over here livewire.php, and then let me go first on the particular location, layouts, component layout, and you can see that. So that means we have a new updated version configuration file. So they have right now using layouts::app. There is one change they have already written, and they have all updates they have given over here. You can see that component_location, component_namespace. So let me go over here, and there is a component_namespace. By default they are taking the layout from the views inside the layouts, but in our case resource, views and components, and inside the components there is a layout folder. So what you need to do, the change components over here like this, okay, and just save it. Okay, let me go back over here and hit refresh. You can see that now our layout is loaded from the component folder, and you can see that. So everything is working fine after that. So that means this is upgraded for version. But let's see, let's double check, create a component and let's check. Okay, so go to the component and I'm going to create a new component with MFC. So just copy that command and hit enter, and you can see that they have created a new component file over here inside the post folder. Go to VS Code editor, post and create, and you can see that here I'm going to just say like h1 hi, this is test, something like that. Okay, and this component I'm going to add on the dashboard blade file. So let me load that, livewire post.create, okay, something like that. Save it. Okay, and let me go here and go to the dashboard, and you can see that hi, this is test. So that means this is the component we have created using the 4.x beta version, and it is working perfectly fine. So this was very basic and simple example how to upgrade it. Now you can use isolate attribute and defers and all the things that latest update they have given. You can update, you can use with your Laravel 12 application. If you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more video guys. Thank you so much.